Understanding a prescription label. Let's learn some of the vocabulary we need to read and understand prescription labels. What is a prescription label? A prescription label is the paper with writing on a prescription bottle or box. What are precautions or warnings? Precautions or warnings are what not to do when you are taking this prescription. For example, do not drive. What is an expiry date? The expiry date is the date when you should no longer take the prescription. What is the strength or dose of the prescription? The strength or dose is how strong the prescription is. For example, 50 milligrams, 100 milligrams, etc. What is a refill? A refill means getting more of the same pills. What are instructions or directions? Instructions or directions are how to take the prescription. What is a patient? A patient is the person taking the prescription. What is a prescription number? A prescription number is the pharmacist's record of your prescription. What does the cost of the prescription mean? The cost of the prescription is how much money you will pay for the prescription. What is a quantity of pills? A quantity of pills is how many pills are in the bottle.